take me on a treasure hunt.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Dorsey. In today's video, I'll be decluttering, cleaning and organizing our home, getting ready for 2022. I've taken down some of the decorations, the Christmas decorations that is, and I thought let me start right here in our closet to organize our closet, and how fitting it is for me to start on my husband's side. Now what I did was I purchased through Amazon a 30 pack of this cedar moth repellent, and what I've done so far is I've used these to put on the jackets here in the closet, and all it is that I just put a moth repellent on each of the jacket, and I'm going to be doing that on my side as well. I purchased 30, so I think I have enough for both sides just to put on certain items like the sweaters and stuff. So let me show you what I've accomplished so far. In addition to the cedar moth repellent, I purchased these dividers that I've used in the past to divide up the spaces here in the closet. I have on the floor all the old hangers that I've taken from inside the closet here. Things look a lot more organized now. This is what it looks like now on this side. And what I'm going to be doing now with all these old hangers, Goodwill doesn't take them, so I'll throw some out, and some that I can repurpose, I will. But right now I'm going to be taking them out of the closet because we really don't need the extra items here in the closet. So I've just finished cleaning my husband's side of the closet, and now I am going to organize my side. Now I've just finished ironing some of these blouses, and yes, I did say iron because I do iron some of my shirts here. And now I'm going to be putting them in their proper spaces and then do a little bit more reorganizing in this closet here. This closet is now clean and organized for 2022. Now we're going to be going into another room and clean and organize that closet for the new year. Welcome to closet number 2. This is going to be an easy closet to organize. It's very small, and now I'm going to put everything from the closet, take everything out from the closet and put on the bed here. I've already taken some off already, but I'm going to reorganize the closet in just a few more minutes. The closet is now empty, and I'm going to be adding the items back in. I put everything back in the closet. It's nice and clean from top to bottom. This is the other side of the closet that I've cleaned out, so both sides are clean and organized. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it motivated you to get started with your cleaning and organizing for the new year. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, that is if you have not already done so. And as usual, if you have, I just want to say a special thank you. I'm always so appreciative of your support. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.